This software is insane because it gives you the ability to unlock any achievement on any Steam game. But before I show you how to use it, you're gonna download it first. So it's so easy, you're just gonna pass the link that you can find in the description. And here I recommend you to use an ad block because there's a lot of ads and pop-ups. So you're gonna click on this button, I'm a human, and as you see there's a lot of pop-ups, but I actually have an ad block, so it's fine. So now we can return to the link and click get link. So now we are on Mediafire, as you see, and we can download the Steam Achievement Manager. Now that we installed Steam Achievement Manager, we just gonna right click and select extract to Steam Achievement Manager. And here we have the folder, so we can open it. And before we open sampicker.exe, just make sure to have Steam open so the software can work. Now you can open sampicker and wait until all games are loaded. So now you're gonna select the game that you want to unlock the achievements, like Overwatch. And as you see, we have all the achievements that we can unlock. Now here you have two options. You can unlock the achievements manually or just click on this icon, unlock all achievements. Before we unlock the achievements, I just want to show you that I have 0 of 164 achievements earned. So we return to the software, we click unlock all achievements, and don't forget to click commit changes. And as you see, 164 achievements and 0 statistics. And as you see, I have all the achievements unlocked, even the rarest. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a good comment if it worked. If it didn't, tell me in the comments so I can help you. Thank you so much again. Goodbye.